Hi guys, welcome to our channel Yulichka Wanted, the channel about travel and about Asia and also about Asian girls. So as you know, if you know, who is Pui? This amazing girl looking actually like a model. She's just selling rotis on the streets of Bangkok. And in this episode, we're going to show her not only in selling amplua as a street selling girl, but also in bikini. I guess because this girl became very popular. And recently actually she got invitation and she participated in TV show on television, which is because she's famous on YouTube. Yes, YouTubers, me also, we all made her famous partially. Actually, I don't know who discovered her as a phenomenon. Who was which channel was it first? But Pui, her name is Pui. She became very famous. And looking at the comments, yes, many men around the world watching who interested in Asian area to travel, they all noticed how she's beautiful, stunning looking young woman. So actually, if you come to Bangkok and you want to meet her and you want to order the sweet banana pancakes, just go to BTS Saladank, go out, and after maybe 100 meters on a small lane, you will see her selling and making rotis. She is quite famous and she's always surrounded by people who wants not only to taste her pancake, very sweet and very oily, but also they want to take selfies with her. She is very friendly and you can always take a selfie and admire her. So as being a phenomena on YouTube, she got a lot of fans around the world, and of course fans, they all not only want to see her selling bananas, but also they want to see her in every aspect. In YouTube you can find videos. Some channels manage to come to her house and to record where does she live. She lives actually not in a posh flat. She lives in some very poor looking neighborhood. So as you see, this Thai lady, Roti Lady in Bangkok, she is very well built, very well crafted by her parents. So if you know, if you want to know more about Pui, then she is. Let her sing.
ดังนกไร้โคนบินร่อนในดงคอนละครชีวิต
Yes, she can sing. So this amazing woman, she's married. Yes, regardless that she's got a lot of fans and maybe some of the guys intended to come and flirt and maybe to fall in love with her. No, she is already taken. And without being a street selling girl, she is doing actually good at her business, and she's got money, some money, maybe not the millions, but still. And as a usual human, she also goes to have fun sometimes. So this is it. It was Lady Roti in Bangkok in bikini. Thanks for watching.